Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. If you're new here, I would like to remind you to enroll for my special NvME D2 giveaway. NvME D2 is a mini Bluetooth speaker with the design of a retro computer with a lot of extras that you will totally like. So go enroll. In the giveaway you will see how if you click the NvME D2 review video. All of the requirements are there. So good luck everybody. On 5k I will give the Ditto away. In today's video we will continue showing the other parts from my colleague's build that I chose for him. The maximum of the budget is 1,600 euro, and I will show you which components I chose except the motherboard that I did dedicated video about because it's very nice board and I recommend it to everybody. You can check it up also, I'll put a video link. The motherboard was B550M ASRock Pro 4, very good board for the $100 that it costs, even less, if you find it on sale. And now let's see what are the other components. For SSD, I chose a little bit old one, old M2 XPG Gammix S5, 512 gigabytes. I know it's not the best, maybe. SSD PCI Express 3. I bought it for the amazing price of 50 euro, which is great for 512 gigabytes. I know that SSDs are normally very expensive, the M2s. That's why this one was a great deal. Me buying all of these components was in one day from all different stores in Bulgaria, online stores, physical stores, because they were having good discounts in different places. And I think 50 euro for 512 gigabytes for SSD, excuse me, I really knocked out the deal that day. I'm happy with it. It looks cool, red, white. I actually like the design of it. You can check it out from more close here. It has that aggressive gaming design of white and red that is so mainstream but is lovely. It will fit nice on our board. Maybe you're already wondering what will be the GPU of the system. Don't worry, I will tell you this also, but first you need to like this video. Continue with the other parts of the component. This is my first AMD Ryzen build and I'm very excited about it. Never worked with AMD processor before that. For his build I chose Ryzen 5600X 6-core processor, very good one. I mean, it's better than the 6-core Intel processors as far as I saw on the statistics and other reviews and videos. It's a nice, powerful processor, new generation. It comes with its own stock cooler. I got the cooler version. And this processor is actually expensive. It costs around 330 euro in Bulgaria, but I bought it for 300. Again, on amazing sale. Let's check it out. Never saw a AMD processor box before. Oh, okay, this is the processor. It's from the side. It's heavy. It's AM4 socket, you know. Here we have a special Ryzen sticker. I love stickers. It will fit nicely into my board. Don't worry guys, I'll make a guide how to install AMD processor on your board in case you don't know. And this is the cooler in a special box. All of the boxes for the cooler, I guess. Here. Okay, it has pre-applied thermal paste that I just touched like an idiot.
Oh, well done.
Yeah. You know, since I'm doing water cooling most of the time, I'm not used.
That's so amazing.
I'm not
that you just wanna touch there. Why would you do that?
Stop speaking or I won't cut you in from the video. This is very nice, guys. I just touched it, but it's a little bit on the side. I didn't know that there is pre-applied thermal paste. Never worked with air coolers before. You know, I have worked with AIOs and custom water cooling loops. Guess I'm special. But this cooler is not exactly the best because it's just a stock cooler. I saw a couple of graphs. So this cooler doesn't give amazing temperatures. That's why I'm thinking to get him a very budgety but nice cooler because we're already on top of the budget because of the GPU. But this cooler costs 20 euro right now on sale. It's from Antec P40, I think, and it has blue light on it, blue LEDs. It looks cool. It has at least heat pipes for better cooling, not like this one. Doesn't matter. Next part, this is the HDD. 2TB HDD, 5500, no, it's actually more. I think it's 7200 RPM. I chose. Yeah, 7200 RPM. SATA 3, 2TB from Toshiba. I bought it for 50 euro again. 2TB HDD for 50 euro, 7200 RPM. It's pretty crazy deal. This is the package of it. I'm not gonna open it right now because you will see it when I do the computer build. There is a reason to be sealed in a package like this. And we're going to the most problematic part because I had an argument with my partner in the channel about my cameraman about the power supply. You know, Gabby Tech is all about aesthetics in the builds. And I can't assume to get a power supply that is not aesthetically pleasing to my eye. Like this one. This one power supply is 650 watt. It has tough Alliance, gaming Alliance. It's gold. It's 80 plus. Great characteristics, but one major thing that I really hate about it, it's non-modular. Not like I wanting to hate on the non-modular, but modular one are more aesthetically pleasing. Each cable separately, there is holes for each cable. Well, here we have little cable mess. But my cameraman said, look, you can choose a modular power supply. I was thinking I should choose a modular power supply, which was, I think, gold also, but it was from Colink. It was Colink, it was modular, it was again 600 watt, I think. It was more expensive than this one. This is Seasonic GC 650 power supply, but the Colink one was with only 3 years of warranty. Well, this one here is with 7 years. He said, would you take the risk his computer to burn because you don't know Colink? Colink has amazing cases, and I'll present you the Colink case very soon in the channel. But I don't know about their power supplies. While Seasonic is a trusted brand about power supplies, they have great power supplies, even one where all of the cables are sleeved. Very beautiful, but it's of course expensive. Well, this one here is around 65 euro, 67 euro, let's say. And it's great. It has great performance, great reviews, but it's not modular. That means cable mess, and more work for me to do the best cable management. And I'm not good at the cable management. I really put efforts, but I'm not the best. It's so strange. My power supply was in different box. How is this box getting opened even? I'm not exactly smart. Okay, we have, do you see? The people thought about me that I will struggle with the cable management and they put some cable ties. I guess I will use all of them. Then we have the Seasonic something about coronavirus outbreak or something like this. Then installation guide. Okay, the installation guide is nice with pictures step by step. Then we have the user manual and the international warranty. Plus, I really like this. You can have a chance to win $50 Steam e-gift if you register this power supply. That is actually cool from them. And this is the PCU itself here in the box. Black, basic, and the cables. This is how it looks with one big cable here from the back and everything else you need to do. I guess this is not gonna be fun. But anyway, we'll see more of this power supply when the case comes and I have to install it. There will be separate installation and everything on the case, separate build video where I only build the computer. But Seasonic, great price power supply, fits exactly into my 1600 euro budget for the guy that I make this computer for, my colleague. Considering the GPU crisis right now, the most expensive component of this build, you can guess it will be the GPU. I showed you the motherboard before, here again in the box. Let's position them like this. And the last part. not on the last, actually the last part that arrived, because there are parts that haven't arrived from the build, the GPU haven't arrived, is this AOC G2 series monitor, exactly the same like the one that I received as a review sample. It's 24 G2U gaming monitor, AMD FreeSync, 144Hz IPS. This is the greatest monitor for its price. I'm happy with it, and the moment he said to me, you need to choose me a monitor that is not expensive, this was my first choice. AOC is a very good brand. Most of all, I have two AOC monitors. You can see that I have ultra wide AOC monitors, which is VA panel, but great for gaming with very deep blacks. And you can check my guide for it. Also, I have how to calibrate it. This is the same, very same monitor, 24 G2U, that I use as a side monitor. It does great job. IPS panel is very versatile. You can turn it, lift it, you can put it in a horizontal plane, vertical plane, the way you want. Happy with this monitor, and the price is such a sweet spot. Normally it costs around 178 euro. I got it for 150 solid price. I don't know, I got very lucky that night when I bought all of these parts, and I think I'm consider myself best builder, Gabby Tech. If you want me to build your computer, you can just contact me and I'll build your computer. If you're from Bulgaria, if you're a foreigner in Bulgaria, or if you have plans to come to Bulgaria, we can build computer together in my channel. I love doing this. This is my cup of tea in life, building computers. I'm so excited. I think I'm even more excited than the guy itself for his own build. So these are the parts. The boy itself, the guy, doesn't know anything about his parts. He don't know if they're good, if they're not. He trusted me fully. He said, here Gabby, take my money and build me a computer. And I took it very into my heart to build him the best computer I can for the money he gave me. Basically everything is calculated till coins. Everything, including the GPU. The GPU will be 3060, and soon you will see it also, because it's very cool. It's nice. I got it on pretty okay price for the situation right now in the world, especially in Bulgaria, the things are crazy about this GPU crisis. GPUs are so expensive. 3070s are going around above 1,700-800 euro, even up to 2,000 euro. 3070s. I don't know what's happening, but to find a GPU in this time, it's almost mission impossible. But I still did it. Gabby Tech did it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. You can tell me your opinion about my parts that I picked. I put effort in each one of them, and everything was on tight budget. So I'll be glad to hear from you. Please watch me, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I do it just because of you. Love you.